What's going on, everyone? We are standing right here in Apollo Beach on a canal, on a dock. Look at this little dock. Look at this cute little dock right here. That is part of this condo that we're selling. Look at that. You can go take the boat out right around. And I'm going to show you this right down the street from Circles and Fins. It's a 1-bedroom. So if you ever just wanted to get away and get in your own little 1-bedroom condo with a little boat dock, this is perfect for you. So we're going to do the walk. How you guys doing? You got a little sitting area right here. And then I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to show you. Okay, open the door. So what I love about this, it's a 1-bedroom. Here, let me do this. Bam. Right? You can use this as a getaway. You can use this as your little vacation spot. It's got the master. A little dark, I apologize. And then you got a nice bathroom right here. So here's the cool thing about this. You got this place, right? You're hanging out. Maybe you use this as your getaway. You take this 1-bedroom, maybe it's your office, whatever the case may be. You open the door, you walk outside, you go on the boat, you go fishing, whatever you want to do. The water's right here. How cool is this? Any questions you have regarding this property, I'll have all the details in the post. If you have any questions on buying or selling, reach out to us, the Kerin Group, right here in Apollo Beach, and we will talk to you soon.